What's up, y'all? It's your girl Steph.net back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a very simple but cute style. Honestly, my hair has just been into flat twists because, as y'all know, we can't go nowhere. But my homegirl challenged me to a makeup slash get cute challenge, and honestly, it really built my spirits up, and it's what I needed to be productive because obviously I recorded this video. Now, if you couldn't already tell, I'm starting off on stretched hair. I just took those flat twists out and brushed my hair out, and my hair isn't necessarily dry, but it's definitely a little bit ashy from not wearing a scarf. So the first thing I'm going to do is split that section at the top and then pull the rest back into a ponytail so I could work with the top. Now that we got that section off, to give my hair a little bit of lubrication, I'm going to go in with the Earthborn Organics Moisturizing Hair Butter, which is a blend of butters and aloe vera gel. And the reason I picked this is because it isn't water-based, but it's definitely going to soften and give my hair that shine and sheen that it needs to start on these flat twists. Now, if you can't flat twist, I cannot help you, sis. But if you would like, you can do just a regular roll twist instead of a flat twist in the front, and the style will still come out cute. Okay, so now that we got those twists done, I'm going to take that ponytail and get to working on the back. I'm going to go in with my handy dandy Eco Styler gel, and I am heavy-handed on the gel, but I shampoo regularly, so using gel does not bother me. You honestly could skip this and use the same butter that I used on the twist or whatever butter you have if you want a more textured look on the sides and just smooth it back with that. But I wanted to try out this brush that was sent to me, and it's by BeHairful, and it really just interested me because usually when I slick my hair down, I go between using a detangling brush and a bristle brush, and this is like 2 in 1. It has like those detangling bristles that I felt like would, like, you know how like when you're slicking your hair down with a regular bristle brush and it's just hitting that top layer, I felt like those extra bristles like penetrated deeper and helped smooth the hair out. I don't know. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, and let me know what you guys use to slick your hair down. So once my hair is laid and slayed and slicked back, I'm going to put it in a ponytail, and then of course add more gel because I disturbed it while putting it in a ponytail. And then I'm going to lay my edges down. Now I can't tell y'all what I use on my edges because sis don't make it no more, and I'm really sad about it. But another edge control that I used is Eben New York 48-hour hold. That would be my second favorite edge control. And once you have everything laid, put your scarf on immediately and let it set. I let it set and do my makeup, but at least let it dry down a little bit. I feel like people feel like their hair doesn't stay slick, but they not tying it down like immediately after they put the gel on. Like, y'all see this? Laid. Absolutely laid. So now I'm going to pin these 2 flat twists back to the base of the ponytail, and I'm just deciding how I want them to lay, and then I'm just going to bobby pin them right there to the top of the ponytail. Next, I'm going to split the ponytail into two sections, and the bottom section is going to be smaller than the top section because I'm going to use the bottom section as like, it's basically going to be like a sock bun, but I'm using my own hair instead of a sock. So I'm just going to twirl those ends around my fingers and then tuck them under to make a little bun. Once that bottom bun is bobby pinned into place, I'm going to take the top section and cover that bun up. And I just do this to make my bun a little bit bigger. Honestly, I probably would have used Marley hair, but as y'all know, the beauty supplies is closed. Thank you, Miss Rona. But this definitely helps with making the illusion of more hair and a bigger bun. I'm just taking that top section, covering the bottom bun, twisting those ends, tucking it and pinning it, and of course I'm gonna tie it down one more again. And yeah, that is it for this style. It is very simple but cute, and I feel like it's something you could do to your hair just to feel like your hair is done right now, you know what I mean? And it doesn't have to be too complicated. So I hope you guys like this style. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know how y'all have been making it through this quarantine, what your hair has been looking like, and yeah, let's just chop it up and alone together. I'll see y'all in the next video.